my dear students, are you a GPAT Niper 25-26 aspirants? Then what are you waiting for? I have brought you a online batch, GPAT Niper 25-26 online batch. My name is Sachin Jadhav, founder Fundamental Pharmacy, 7-time GPAT, once Niper, Esic, NHRM, DHS, DMER, Pharmacist qualified. My dear students, in this batch, GPAT Niper 25-26 online batch, you are going to get daily live lectures. Lectures will be subject wise and chapter wise. In addition to that, you are going to get recorded lectures, more than 1,500 recorded lectures are there. In that also you are going to get 2 hard copy study material books and subject wise and chapter wise test series. So everything is there in this batch, and if you are able to give your 100%, I will guarantee your rank 200% in the GPAT and Niper. My dear students, I am going to teach you for the GPAT and Niper subject wise, chapter wise, giving emphasis on important points for these exams. So what are you waiting for? Join in a clusters, join with your friends, join with your classmates, get your rank in a GPAT and Niper. Thank you very much.